Hello, my name is Hélène. We are in Prague and this is my studio, so come in and I will show you what I'm up to. On this channel, I share weekly videos packed with tips and tricks I've picked up along the way through my own practice, the courses I've taken, and lots of experimentation. You'll find me playing with vintage tools and reclaimed surfaces, diving into painting sessions in my sketchbooks, on canvas or panels, and sharing what I learn as I go. Even a bit of DIY. I love making my studio more functional, so I also share handy projects, creative builds and how-tos. My hope? To inspire you to pick up a brush or a pencil. Whether you're already an artist, feeling a bit rusty, or just curious to give it a try and maybe spark new ideas for your own practice. Or perhaps you're simply here for some creative company, and I get it. Studio days can be a bit lonely, and I watch a lot of YouTube myself for that reason. I'm a set decorator and I'm French, though I'm guessing my accent already gave that away. And I live in Prague. When I'm not working on a movie project, you'll find me here in my studio, painting with acrylic and mixed media, printing, collaging, framing, sketching, basically enjoying every moment in this space. I only started painting a few years ago and wouldn't call myself a seasoned artist. But creativity has always been part of my life, and since picking up a brush, I've felt an undeniable urge to create. It's not just about ideas, it's about the feeling of paint gliding on the surface, the movement of tools in my hands, the pure joy of making. Hopefully that energy will be contagious. And if it is, that's a win for both of us. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and think you want to see more of what's going on in this studio, don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications, and we will see each other again very soon. Bye bye! Hi, I'm Hélène and welcome back to my studio. Two days. Oh la la.